I'm removing the safety mechanism on this machine because I'm not a baby and I don't have babies working for me. So this is what happens when you click the switch. Locked. You have to push down and then forward. And it's extremely annoying. So that's going to go. Looks like we've got a couple of little elevated pieces of plastic right here. We're going to remove. Handy dandy chisel I made. Hammer. We'll unplug this thing just to be safe. All we're going to do is knock these little pieces off with this tool. Let me remove this here. The safety lock is coming off today. This is a piece of PVC. I will glue this to this base here so this does not rock anymore. So what will happen is that this will sit like this. It'll keep it from rocking forward and it'll slide up and down. That's the idea. Got to trim this down so that it fits. Put some crazy, sand it down, put some crazy glue on it, and it should do the job. We'll see what happens here. Very simple. A little uglier, but still have a little bit to go. I have shortened it up a little bit, cut the edges off. I'm going to lay it in there and then apply some glue. Sits in there real nice, like. I'm going to center it up, but as you can see, doesn't matter what you do, it's on and it's not going to turn off until you release the button. Great. I guess at this point I'm not going to open it up because this works better than expected. Crazy glue, beer. The beer goes in the mouth. The crazy glue goes on here. Here we go. Come on, crazy glue. Sometimes, oh my gosh, look at that. I'm going to replace the counters anyway, so I'm not real worried about that. But, whatever. Too much glue. Way too much glue. All over. Let's get rid of this here. That's good. Get rid of some of this here. Otherwise it won't seal real well. It won't dry up real well. I'm going to have to apply some pressure here. I think that's good, pretty much. That's not going anywhere. Thank you very much. It's good to run it for a few minutes before you actually use it, but I'm taking the wax stick, the lubricator, parting agent, whatever you want to call it, and I'm wiping it on the blade here prior to really running the machine on anything. That's tough, so that it'll lubricate. So there you go. It's a nice thick piece of aluminum. We'll see if it'll cut through it. Very impressive. Very impressive. So it looks to me like if you hold this down properly, you could get a nice clean cut, even on a piece of metal that thick. So, anyways, you've got a lot of uses for this machine. I'm pretty impressed with it. That's pretty cool.